Hello everyone. In the previous video, we have discussed with the answer key of the solution from the chapter number 1, that is language of chemistry, and I hope that everyone has gone through that solution. Next second set, we are going to discuss question number 14 onwards. So there we have discussed question number 1 to 13, and today we are going to discuss the question number 14 onwards. Okay, the first question is match the following. There were two match the following. So here the salt color. Okay, you have to remember the color when it is in the initial state. When you heat, the color of that salt changes. For example, all of you know the copper sulfate, it is blue in color. So in the option, if it is blue compound, it is written. So that is the option is correct. Okay, you will match with that blue compound. When this copper sulfate is heated, first when you heat it, what will happen? The color changes to white, and if you more heat, then it will again changes to, because when you heat energy, when you heat the salt, they get heat energy, and due to this the electron transit from the lower energy level to higher energy level, and due to that oxidation state will change. Copper sulfate or copper, the element of copper, this is +2 state, also +1 state. When it is released, that copper sulfate, it is hydrated salt, means there along with the formula, if you write CuSO4.5H2O, what will happen when you heat it? This water will eliminate or water will remove. So what it is? Copper sulfate, it will remain in the, so this copper sulfate, it will be white in color. So the option is blue to white. What is the option? That is for copper sulfate. Similarly, why I am selecting few, so that you know these are the your day-to-day life you have already seen. Iodine vapors. Iodine vapors, we know this is violet color. So that's why it is violet vapors is coming. Okay. So this is violet color. Then ammonium dichromate, it is orange. This salt is orange in color. Orange in color. So compound is orange in color. This is blue color salt. Then red lead. Okay, red lead, it is red lead, already it is written. So it is red to yellow, first it will change, and when it will convert it to pull down, you will get the same. And this one is white in color. White in color. So these are the color of the given salt. Okay, so remember the color of the given salt. Mostly when you do the practical salt analysis, you will come to know the color of this salt. Next one is this is easy one. Okay, what is the symbol for hypochlorite? ClO-1. Okay, permanganate, KMnO4, potassium permanganate, so it is MnO4-1. Plumbic, okay, means plumbus means it is related to lead or Pb. So here we know that in Pb is coming which group? It is coming the group number 14, Kasi gas Shankar Prabhu. So tin, that is Sn, stannous, and Pb, both are from same group. So which are the oxidation state? +4, +2. If it is, I said that when it is As means lower value, lower oxidation means valency is less, and if it is Ic, then it is higher value. So in plumbus and plumbic, +2 for Pb it is +2 and +4. So As it will be +2. If it is plumbic, then it is +4. Okay, remember this. Okay, then zincate. Zincate, you know, sodium zincate, ZnO2 minus 2. Similarly, mercurous. Mercury again, it is 2 valency, variable valency plus 1 plus 2. So Ec is higher. So that's why it is Hg plus 2. Stenic, just now I said stenic is from group 14, so 2 and 4. So Sn plus 4. Now it is Ec. So stenic is, Ec means higher value, so plus 4. Nitrite, ITE. So it is NO2, not NO3. NO3 is nitrate, 8 and ite. Again you remember 8 ite. 8 is more oxygen, more number of oxygen, and ite is less number of oxygen. So nitrate ATE is NO3 and IT is NO2. Charge is minus 1. Sulfite, ite and 8 again. Okay, this is SO3. Charge is minus 2. Dichromate. Dichromate is chromium related, so Cr2O7 minus 2. So this is all about the valency. If you know the valency, then easily you can match this, match the following you can easily do. Next question is, what is symbol and what it represents? What is symbol? Symbol, it is represents elements. Okay, symbol, with the symbol we represent element. With molecular formula it represents the molecule. Okay, so represents, what is represent with the same symbol? Represent the element. In one word only I am giving these answers, because ICSE mostly the questions in one word. Okay, if there in your textbook the symbol definition is also, so definition also you can write. Okay, so write it down, then we will do the again next question 17 onwards. Write fast. Next question is, why is the symbol of S or symbol S for sulfur but Na for sodium and Si for silicon? See, what is the symbol? Symbol is the representation of that element. Okay, so for sulfur, the first letter, and when we write the first letter, we write from its name. But here sodium scientific name is, why it is Na? The sodium scientific name is natrium. Okay, you will see that Na is natrium. I'll give more also, although it is not in your question, but Na is natrium. K, potassium, we used to write potassium. We don't write P. Why? Because scientific name is calcium. Okay, there are many, like iron. Iron we write Fe. Iron, the symbol we write Fe because it is coming from ferrum. And at the end always you will see that Um is that because of it is a Latin name. Okay, there are many. Gold we don't use G. This is the commonly what we called. Okay, but the symbol is Au. The reason behind it is coming from aurum. Okay, so mercury Hg, argonium, then lead Pb, plumbic, just now we have discussed. So these are the Latin name or scientific name due to which sodium we are writing Na, but others names are we are starting means symbols with what we are using, that is the first letter in capital. Okay, remember this, the method of writing symbol of any element. There are few exceptions because it is taken from their Latin name. Okay, next question. What is the full form of IUPAC? IUPAC, I stands for International Union, U for Union, P for Pure, and AC is Applied Chemistry. Applied Chemistry. Applied Chemistry. Now what is AU? Just now I said AU is gold. Then PB is lead. What is SN? SN is tin, stenic, and Hg is mercury. Okay, symbols of IUPAC name. Full form of IUPAC name. And next question: what is the symbol represents the element? So AU is gold, right? AU gold, PB lead, SN tin, and Hg mercury. Okay, now this kind of question, different type of question but similar. If the symbol of cobalt written as C, capital O, is it wrong? And if it is wrong, how it is wrong? Okay, because that question paper also, CO represent who? Carbon monoxide. And for cobalt, symbol of cobalt we write capital C and small o. Okay, capital C, small o. But when both are capital, that is called oxide. This is oxygen, symbol of oxygen. Carbon and oxygen one. So that's why monooxide. Okay, symbol represents H. What is the meaning? Symbol represents H, H2 and 2H. Okay, very interesting. H is what? It is element. With this symbol, what we'll understand? It is element. H2, it represents molecule. And element oblique atom also you can write. Atom also correct. Okay. And here it is 2H means 2 atom of hydrogen. 2 atom of hydrogen. 2 atoms of hydrogen. Next, what is the difference of valency and variable valency? Valency, you know what is valency? It is combining capacity. It is combining capacity of an How many electron it will lose, how many electron it will gain, that will indicate its valency. So lose and gain, when it will take place, when you will understand, when it will form bond, means it is combined with other element. That time only it will be, there will be means loss of electron or gain of electron. तो ये हमारा क्या हो गया? कंबाइनिंग कैपेसिटी हो गया. कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करेंगे, कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन करेंगे, दैट इज गिव्स यू, दैट इज कॉल्ड कंबाइनिंग कैपेसिटी. So valency is nothing but it is a combining capacity of an element. So why then variable valency? Okay, variable valency, those elements shows variable valency means when electron can remove from the seed. When electron is removed from the last shell, suppose it is variable valency of copper. So it is Cu plus 1 and Cu plus 2. Okay. 2 variable valency. What does it mean? Means the electron which is there in the last shell. If one electron is losing, the element is losing 1 electron, then it is plus 1. And if it is 2 electron is losing, then it is valency is 2. all the elements are not showing variable elements. They depends, variable elements will depend the transition of electron. It will depends on transition of electron. Transition of electron. Okay. How many electron it is transit from lower energy level to higher energy level. So then what will happen? You will get, later on you will understand this, means elaborately, that if the octet, if it is a, till now it is a octet rule. Okay. So till these elements who are mostly showing the variable valency, they are in D block elements. You have studied periodic table. So D block means transition elements. That's why I have written transition of electron. Okay, due to this transition only, they are showing variable valency. How this variable valency? One example I have given. How this variable valency named. Okay, variable valency when it is, if it is a lower valency, then that time we will write OUS. If it is a higher valency, that time we write IC. For example, this one Cu plus 1, what we will write? Q plus. Q plus. Okay. If it is plus 2 state, then it will be cupric. Okay, cupric. IC will be the suffix, the end will be IC. Here end will be OUS. Okay, this is the old method. Now if you will write ferrous oxide, so ferrous oxide you will write like this: Fe2, as means lower valency O. Okay, if it is a ferric oxide, means ferric means 3 oxide. Okay, so this is, so Fe valency is 3, so bracket 3 we write. So we write Fe, or you can write like this: Fe bracket Roman 2 oxide, Fe3 oxide. Both are oxide, but by seeing these 2 and 3, you can say that it is ferrous, it is ferric. Okay, this is the new representation. This is old representation. Okay, so these are the few related to valency, and this is very common question. Okay, if you understand the chapter, this is very common question. Okay, now next one is very interesting. I like this kind of question. M2SO4 whole 3. This is the formula of sulfate. Okay, all are formula of sulfate. So from this we can easily find out what is the valency of metal. Yes or no? From the symbol we can easily, from the formula we can easily find out the valency of metal also, sulfate also, because we know how the formula is written. Formula is written by interchanging the valency. Okay, so M is the metal and sulfate. Sulfate valency is what? 2. Sulfate valency is 2. So here, that's why this sulfate valency came along with M. And what will be the metal valency? Metal valency is 3. When you have interchange, then you got M2SO4 whole 3. Okay, so what valency we got? Metal valency we got 3. Now we have to write the formula of its metal chloride. So metal valency is 3 and chloride valency will be what? 1. Chloride, okay, 1. So formula for this, it will come M3 and chloride 1, so it will be interchange. It will interchange, so M will be 1 and Cl will be 3. So MCl3. Okay, then it is oxide. Okay, oxide means M is 3 and oxide oxygen valency is 2, interchange, so M2O3. So this oxide formula will be M2O3. Understood? Phosphate. What is the symbol of phosphate? Phosphate is PO4. MPO4. So M valency is 3 and PO4 valency is also 3. So 3 cancel. So directly it will be MPO4. Okay. Then acetate. Acetate. Okay. Acetate symbol is CH3COO. Okay. Now acetate symbol is -1. Okay. This is only with acetate radical, that always we write cation in the beginning, anion next. Okay. Here just in this case it will be just opposite. So CH3COO, this is 1. So with M 1 will go, and M is having 3 valency, so 3M. For example, if you write sodium acetate, this one will be more clear if you know sodium acetate. What is the formula of sodium acetate? This is CH3COO-Na. Why? Because Na valency is 1, CH3CO valency is 1, 1 cancel, and that's why we write CH3COO-Na. So this about today till 26 question number we have done. Check your answer first, as I told in the previous video also. First you solve all the question, and that question will be given to your description box. Then you will match your answer with this video. Okay. If you like, subscribe my channel and share as much as you can with your friends, and please press notification bell. Okay children, thank you. Bye bye.